Hello everyone! Need to disable the firewall on your VPS? Don't worry, it's super easy. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to safely turn off the Windows firewall directly from your VPS. Sometimes, the reason you can't connect to your VPS using Remote Desktop RDP is because the firewall is blocking the connection. While the firewall protects your server from unwanted access, it can also block legitimate connections if not configured correctly. So in this video, we'll show you how to disable the firewall the right way, so you can reconnect and manage your VPS without any issues. First, log into your client area. Once you're on the main dashboard, find the section called Your Active Product Services and select your VPS. Next, scroll down until you find Server Information, then click Open No VNC Console to connect to your VPS. When the console window appears, click the accessibility icon, also known as Ease of Access, at the bottom left of the login screen. Follow the instructions shown in this video to proceed. Now, when you're entering your password, remember, copy and paste doesn't work inside the console. So, you'll need to type your password manually. After logging in, right-click the Internet icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select Open Network and Sharing Center and click on Windows Firewall. Next, choose Turn Windows Firewall on or off. Under the Public Network Settings section, turn off the firewall and click OK. That's it! You've successfully disabled the firewall. You can confirm it by checking the Guest or Public Networks section. It should now show that the firewall is turned off. And that's how you disable the Windows firewall on your VPS. We hope this tutorial helps you fix any connection issues and manage your VPS more smoothly. Happy trying! And if this video helped you, don't forget to share it with your friends or trading community. See you in the next tutorial.